This video shows you how easy it is to generate your own custom forms using the Tallysman Form Builder application. Once you have created your form, it can be downloaded onto your Motor Turbo Radio's option board. The Forms app replaces paper-based data entry in the field with real-time data capture. I'm going to create a custom form for aircraft refueling. First I'm going to open the Tallysman Sprite Form Builder application, and I'm going to call my form refueling. I'm going to give it a form ID number, and the first field that I'm going to add to my form will be a numeric entry. So I'm going to enter employee ID, I'm going to force entry of the employee ID every time you go into the form. Second field that I'm going to enter is going to be a selection from a list. So I'll select the add list selection. The list I'm going to put here is airlines. The first field I'm going to enter is United. The second field will be Delta. Third field I'll enter is Air Canada. Now my next field will be an aircraft number. Now this is going to be an alphanumeric text, so I'll click on the field here. You'll notice the screen is getting a little bit cluttered, so I'll just shrink these previous fields that I've completed. Gives me a little bit more room on the screen. So now I'm going to enter my aircraft number. And the last field that I want to enter is fuel, and this is just going to be a numeric entry. Now I've completed my form, so I can validate that this form is a good form by clicking the icon, and it says the form has been validated. So I'm okay with this form now, so I'll save it. And I'm going to call it and save it. Now I can run this under emulation by clicking on this test form in a PC. So you'll see it displays is similar to a portable radio's front panel display. We can easily run this on a mobile as well with a alphanumeric keypad. The display will be the same. So what I'm going to do here is fill out a new form, and you'll notice the first field I entered was the employee ID, so I'll enter my ID, click OK. The second field, the brackets indicate that this is a selection from a list, so I can cycle through the list. I'm going to select United. The aircraft number, so I'll enter an aircraft number, and this is an alphanumeric field, so what I'm going to do is enter UA and then select OK. The fuel, enter the amount of fuel, so 5,000. Click OK. So that was the last field in the form, so it prompts me to send the form. I'll click OK to send. So that form information is sent over the Motor Turbo network back to a host application. You see at the bottom of the screen here, this is the information that I filled in. Now, once you're happy with your form, you can download it to onto the option board and run it directly from the radio. And that's all there is to creating your custom forms for a Motor Turbo radio. Once you are okay with the form design, you can download the form to a radio and run the app on the radio. That's all there is to creating custom forms. Thank you for watching this video.